leasehold property, right, minus write off, okay. See in bracket, this there is a hidden adjustment. This is from 1/4/16. So this our year is also 1/4/16, right, for 5 years. So no year is passed. So directly divided by 5. Bracket mat 60,000 divided by 5 in bracket. So 12,000 we have to write off every year. The remaining amount outer column 48,000, and second entry of write off, that is like a depreciation in P&L account to return of leasehold property or machinery. It's a 12,000. Now out of this leasehold machinery, stationery and printing, that is P&L account debit side. Stationery and printing, P&L account debit side. This is expense. Stationery and printing, P&L account debit side दिख रहा, yeah. Stationery printing, it's a 1200. Stationery and printing 1200. Bad debts and bad debts reserve done, right? Advertisement expense there only. P&L account debit side, advertisement expense 1200. Advertisement expense 1200. Traveling expense also there only. Traveling expense 800. No adjustments are there, no? 800. Trading account we pass the entry. Loan of Sabana, that's a liability. Balance sheet liability side. Loan of Sabana. Loan of Sabana. Inner column. 61899. 60,000. 60,000. Right now, there is a hidden adjustment. Bracket में लोगों date 1/10/16. So we have to, Sabana is our partner and we have to give 6% interest on partner's loan. So from 1/10/16 to 1/10/16 to 31st March 17. 30, how many months? 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. 6 months interest. Plus outstanding interest. हाँ हाँ प्लस लखी मैं नीचे लखी थी ना नीचे लखी नीचे आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटरेस्ट ब्रैकेट में 60,000 इंटू 6/12 इंटू 6%, 6/100. That will be કેટલું થશે 1800. Let's 61800 outer column. And as I discussed, as per accounting standard 2013, the outstanding interest on loan or partner's interest on loan is transferred to P&L account debit side. Outstanding interest on Sabana's loan. Outstanding interest on Sabana's loan. 1800. Right now the discount reserve credit side sold 760. As I discussed, see in yesterday when I discussed with you to adjustment, accounting entries of adjustment, so discount debit side which is given in trial balance plus discount reserve of adjustment, both is 0, minus discount reserve on debtors of trial balance. So minus આવે એટલે ક્યાં આવશે directly credit side. So it is not now required. So we are transferring it to credit side of બે લાઈન છોડીને discount reserve on debtors 760. $760. Now the trial balance is over. Now I have to read the adjustment. First adjustment, Salim withdrawal done. Second adjustment, goods purchase done. Third adjustment, prepaid, insurance done. Provide bad debt reserve, discount reserve is not required. Provide depreciation, all are done. Now close the first account, trading account. So credit total is more, 62800. 61800, sorry, 61800. Out of that 61800, 4000 is deducted. So you are getting GP 57800. 57800 like GP. This GP is transferred to P&L account credit side by GP from trading account. $57800. Now the credit total is more, right? No, debit total is more. Debit total 1000, 37,000, 8,000, 12. So 37 plus 12 એટલે 49 damage થઈ ગયા, right? So debit total is more. So write down debit total is 65100. 65100. Credit 65100. The difference is net profit. એટલે લખને કહીએ net profit, yeah. That is જો 65100 માંથી 57800 and 760 minus કરો તો you are getting 6540. Net loss કહેવાય, net profit ની net loss. Now this is transferred to P&L appropriation account debit side. Net loss by NL 222. NL લખી દે ને કંઈ નહીં ચાલશે. net loss from P&L account, બ્રેકેટમાં from P&L account. Uh, 6540. Now this loss બીજી કોઈ એન્ટ્રી નથી એટલે we have to close. This becomes our divisible loss, right? So we have to divide it in their profit and loss sharing ratio. Which ratio is given? So no ratio is given, right? So we have to distribute equally करो. 3270 બંને નહીં by પહેલાં કરંટ અકાઉન્ટ સલીમ 3270 ઇનરમાં, હા, અને સબાના ઓલ્સો 3270. આ બેનું ટોટલ 6540 તે તમે લખેલું જ છે. ચાલો, એટલે ક્રેડિટ ટુ ડેબિટ ઇન પાર્ટનર્સ કરંટ અકાઉન્ટ to P&L appropriation account, bracket में divisible loss 3270 in both follow. Now see, Salim's credit total is 40,000, right? So Salim's credit total is more. Look of 40,000 both sides. Put it debit side and difference 40,000 minus 4,000 minus 3270 difference ઉપર, હા, એટલે 32730 to balance CD 32730 to balance CD. Okay. So this is credit balance transferred to liability side. Liability side લખો current account બ્રેકેટમાં સલીમ, current account બ્રેકેટમાં સલીમ 32730. ઓકે, હવે સબાનાસ કરંટ અકાઉન્ટ જો ક્રેડિટ સાઇડનો એન્ટ્રી, ડેબિટ સાઇડ ટુ એન્ટ્રી 10,000 અને 13270 એટલે 13270. Put it debit side, credit side 13270. Balance by balance CD 13270. in Sabana. It means Sabana's debit balance, whose debit balance that is transferred to balance sheet asset side. નીચે લખી દો. Current account બ્રેકેટમાં Sabana. Current account બ્રેકેટમાં Sabana. એ છે તમારું 13270 આઉટરમાં 13270. Capital already transferred. Now everything આ બહાર જવા દેવું છે 3270. આ Salim's current account. Okay, now we have to total the balance sheet. So credit side, liability side, 280 plus 32730 plus 32,000 plus 61800. Total is 405. No, 406,530. Okay, and asset side also 406,530. So this is your example. This is your solution. As you know, in sole proprietor also our balance sheet is tallied, and here also our balance sheet is tallied. Okay, thank you.